Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start. Question number 1. The IBC is the foundation of the complete family of international codes. It is an essential tool to preserve public health and safety that provides safeguards from hazards associated with the built environment. It addresses the design and installation of innovative materials that meet or exceed public health and safety goals. IBC stands for blank. The answer is International Building Code. Question number 2. The MWSS, formerly known as the NAWASA, is the government agency that is in charge of water privatization in Metro Manila and the nearby provinces of Cavite and Rizal in the Philippines. It split the water concession into an east and a west concession, with Manila Water being awarded one contract and Maynilad Water Services being awarded the other. MWSS and NAWASA stand for blank. The answers are Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System and National Waterworks and Sewerage System Authority. Question number 3. Measuring the HPC is an analytic method that is a useful operational tool for monitoring general bacteriological water quality throughout the treatment process and in the distribution system. HPC results are not an indicator of water safety and, as such, should not be used as an indicator of potential adverse human health effects. HPC stands for blank. The answer is heterotrophic plate count. Question number 4. FS means a standard approved by the United States General Services Agency that is mandatory for use by all federal agencies. FS stands for blank. The answer is Federal Specification. Question number 5. The CEN is a public standards organization whose mission is to foster the economy of the European single market and the wider European continent in global trading, the welfare of European citizens and the environment by providing an efficient infrastructure to interested parties for the development, maintenance, and distribution of coherent sets of standards and specifications. CEN stands for blank. The answer is European Committee for Standardization. In French, it is the
Comité européen de normalisation.
Question number 6. The DOE is the executive department of the Philippine government responsible for preparing, integrating, coordinating, supervising, and controlling all plans, programs, projects and activities of the government relative to energy exploration, development, utilization, distribution, and conservation. DOE stands for blank. The answer is Department of Energy. Question number 7. The PRC is the licensing and regulatory agency of the Philippine national government for the practice of regulated professions. PRC stands for blank. The answer is Professional Regulation Commission. Question number 8. EHS is a multidisciplinary field that focuses on the protection of human health and the environment in various settings, including worksites, communities, and public spaces. The main objectives of EHS are to identify and mitigate potential hazards, prevent accidents, and promote a safe and healthy living and working environment. EHS stands for blank. The answer is Environment, Health and Safety. Question number 9. PPE is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. These injuries and illnesses may result from contact with chemical, radiological, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards. It may include items such as gloves, safety glasses and shoes, earplugs or muffs, hard hats, respirators, or coveralls, vests and full body suits. PPE stands for blank. The answer is personal protective equipment. Question number 10. The HI is the global authority on pumps and pumping systems. It is a pump association of positive displacement and rotodynamic, centrifugal pump manufacturers and suppliers whose mission is to be a value-adding resource to member companies, engineering consulting firms, and pump users worldwide. HI stands for blank. The answer is Hydraulic Institute. Question number 11. HPDs provide a full disclosure of the potential chemicals of concern in products by comparing product ingredients to a set of priority hazard lists based on the green screen for safer chemicals and additional lists from other government agencies. HPD stands for blank. The answer is Health Product Declaration. Question number 12. LEED is the world's most widely used green building rating system. LEED certification provides a framework for healthy, highly efficient, and cost-saving green buildings, which offer environmental, social, and governance benefits. LEED stands for blank. The answer is Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. Question number 13. Some toilets are highly efficient, use little water, but have low performance. There is a way to determine if a highly efficient toilet will flush well before it is installed. It is called the MAP rating. MAP stands for blank. The answer is Maximum Performance. Question number 14. The National Fire Protection Association, NFPA-1, UFC is designed to provide risk reduction and enhanced public safety. NFPA has more than 150 codes and documents that allow us to support or design contest code interpretation and local fire code interpretation. UFC stands for blank. The answer is Uniform Fire Code. Question number 15. The WPC is an international organization that aims to achieve the best possible plumbing for the world through the growth and development of the world's plumbing industries. WPC stands for blank. The answer is World Plumbing Council. Question number 16. IAQ refers to the air quality within and around buildings and structures, especially as it relates to the health and comfort of building occupants. Understanding and controlling common pollutants indoors can help reduce your risk of indoor health concerns. IAQ stands for blank. The answer is Indoor Air Quality. Question number 17. The B&S joint is a type of connection used in pipes and pipe fittings. It provides a simple and effective way to connect pipes together, allowing fluid or gas to pass through the joint without leakage. B&S stands for blank. The answer is Bell and Spigot. Question number 18. GPF is a metric to measure the volume of water a toilet uses with each flush. This measurement varies between toilet brands and specific toilet models. GPF stands for blank. The answer is gallons per flush. Question number 19. A WaterSense rated high-efficiency toilet has been certified by the EPA to provide the highest standard in efficiency, water conservation, and performance. They use roughly 1.28 gallons per flush, but provide the same experience you expect when you need to flush. EPA stands for blank. The answer is Environmental Protection Agency. Question number 20. PEL is a limit for occupational exposure to hazardous environments that include physical agents, loud noises, or chemical substances. These limits are established by OSHA and are typically given as a time-weighted average, or TWA, such as 8 or 10 hours. PEL stands for blank. The answer is permissible exposure limit. Question number 21. PEX is a synthetic plastic variant made from polyethylene resin. It is a carbon-based polymer plastic, meaning a connected set of individual repeating molecule units bound together to form a material that can be used to make products. PEX stands for blank. The answer is cross-linked polyethylene. Question number 22. ppm is a term we use to describe very small amounts of something in a much larger amount of something else. It is a unit of measurement that expresses the concentration of a substance in a mixture. In water, it refers to the concentration of chemicals or impurities within the water. ppm stands for blank. The answer is parts per million. Question number 23. The TXV is a precision device that is designed to regulate the rate at which liquid refrigerant flows into the evaporator. This controlled flow is necessary to maximize the efficiency of the evaporator while preventing excess liquid refrigerant from returning to the compressor or flood back. TXV stands for blank. The answer is thermostatic expansion valve. Question number 24. bhp usually refers to the amount of power delivered at the engine output shaft of a piston engine. It is measured using an instrument called a dynamometer, which is a mechanical or electric braking device. bhp stands for blank. The answer is brake horsepower. Question number 25. Republic Act number 6541, or the NBCP, is a law that answers the demand for urbanization. It aims to ensure the developers will follow the implementation of the latest technical knowledge on building design, construction, occupancy, maintenance, and use. NBCP stands for blank. The answer is National Building Code of the Philippines. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck, future master plumbers.